Guys, this is Dan. So good. So yeah, sorry about that. My family just arguing. So yeah, took me a long time to make him because of a special thing. It's this. I can move his legs. Yeah, the legs is not good because it just gets loose. I'm gonna make a mechanism to make the legs move soon. Now the head. Hey, it's not the best, but something. Best of it, the arms, because I put a little black thing, if you can see, to make the arms move. They can't move in the same time, but they can move. So yeah, I can make Dan walk with his feet. So yeah, I'm gonna make the body to the legs to connect each other. If you want to see me do it, then stay here. And we're back. Just gotta wash the dishes. So yeah, I got my plate. This is from grade 3. Yeah, I'm gonna pour now. Well, I gotta tear Dan apart. R.I.P. Dan for a while. Oof. Yeah, I think
sarado na. Lahat na lang isarado.
Making this was really hard, no cap. So I guess.
Nag-aaway-away pa ko yung kabo. Sino nagbukas ng aircon? Tara mo dyan, manayin ko na. Walang mag-aircon ngayong gabi. Yung gano'n, no?
Sabagay, malamig mo ng panahon.
Okay, we're back. It's live.
Pero iniinit ako lang ng tubig, mabilis lang maligo.
We are back. My parents were just talking. So yeah. This is the materials we got. This, the clay, from grade 3 of course. The box of the clay. And the important part, the thing that drills the holes. And the parts of Dan. Without him, I would not be. I would be sad. Since he, Dan, helped me through everything. Well, not everything. Pretty much almost. Oh no. Oh no, we reached the problem. I drilled to the screwing part. Yeah, the hands are still okay. I just drilled to each part. Now it's disconnected. This will be a hard one. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I just gotta attach the limbs. That's the best way. Sorry guys. This will be delayed for a while. So pretty much I'm making a new Dan. So yeah, he will be the same because I still got his head, so he won't die. He will have the same memories with the handsome. Okay, so the hard part is drilling the holes. It's better if I drill 2 holes in the same area, like sharing an orbit. Yeah. Now the things I've been wanting for. So yeah, I got this thing that will definitely help me. I just need to thin it out. Whew. So yeah, gotta be quiet for a while, so sorry guys. The plan I'm gonna make here is the legs sticking together like this, but I'm gonna make a hole that's thin enough but still connected so it won't fall apart and it's still movable. Just need to get a bit of purple. Okay. Now the drilling part needs concentration. Okay, my god, I gotta reset. Stop. Okay guys, we're back. My parents just came in the room because my dad is talking in the phone. My dad is somewhere right now. Oh yeah, I miss him. And my mom just arrived from Manila. She had to went somewhere because she's almost going back to the cruise ship. That's super sad, y'all. Well, at least I get to spend time with them. I hope the time... Hi, guys, we're back. Yeah. So, guys, we are back. So, I did a bit of progress because my parents and my brother were in the room chit-chatting all day long. Not all day, though. Because I need to hurry up and finish this video, post it on YouTube, and get money. But I don't need that much money. I'm just here for content. I ain't come for fame. I just love playing the game. Oh yeah, if you had heard that word I said, search up the song Demon Time. If you know X Demon, subscribe to that guy. He's the best. Just took it off. God. No, the legs looks like a fatty. Oh my god. I know. There's a black thing in the middle, so it's like a shadow. Buksan mo, papasukin mo. Okay, I'm back. I almost got the arms. I just need to reattach the arms and I'm good. Oof, thank God, I thought it was gonna die out. This needs concentration. Yes. One more step. Hey, I finished. No copy, just looks thicker and heavier. But it's still good. You might see the black thing but it's still good. You will see all the black things. That's the thing that helps the things to move. Like for the arms, you'll see it in the back. I'm gonna show you the front. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, here's the front appearance. Here you see the black thing. That's the thing that helps the head move, and then the legs reattached up, deattached. Okay, here's the back part. Oh yeah, you can see the black things. That's kind of cool. Well, here, let's test out the abilities. Yeah. Yeah, the legs still needs to do watch in the back area. Yeah, that's close. At least it's something. And here the arms movement, the head movement. Okay. Well, that's all for now, guys. Well, if you want, I'll make a next video after I shower about making Dan explore some worlds. Peace out. Or he'll come to your bed tonight and clap you.